everyone, today we are going to talk about how to find the slope. Remember, the slope basically is the change between the y-axis and the x-axis, and we have four different types of slope. Positive slope when the line goes up in the up direction, zero slope when it's horizontal line, negative slope when the line it goes down, and undefined slope when it's vertical line. Remember, basically the definition for a slope is the ratio of the rise, or it's the vertical change, to the run, or it's to the horizontal change. We are going to find the slope given 2 points. In this case, we have two coordinates. Remember, the coordinates, this one it's x1 and y1, x2 and y2, but we are going to use this idea. Remember, first you need to plot what is x1 and what is y1, x2 and y2. Then we are going to use a formula for a slope, which is this one, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Or it's this one. Remember, the y2 will be 14 and the y1 would be 12. x2 is equal to 15 and the x1 is equal to 20. Then we are going to substitute in the formula. For example, y1 will replace 14 minus 12, because this one is y2, this one is y1. Then 15 minus 20. Why? Because this one is x2 and this one is x1. Remember to use this one. Then we are going to subtract. 14 minus 12 give us 2. 15 minus 20 give us negative 5. But this negative is for the whole fraction, so you are going to write like this. A slope is equal to negative 2 over 5. In the second example, we have this one. We have these two coordinates. Please try to identify what is x1 and what is y1, x2 and y2. Remember, in this one, first we are going to call this one with index 1, or let's say this one, x1, y1. This is going to be x2, y2. Then we are going to use our formula for a slope. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And we're going to have, if we substitute the values, we're going to have negative 2 because it's the y2 minus negative 4. Remember to use parentheses in this case because this minus is from the formula and this minus is in the coordinate. And then we have x2 is equals to 6 and x1 is equals to negative 5. Then we have to do one operation. Remember, if we have negative and negative, that means which is positive. So we are going to change this negative and negative to positive. Then we are going to subtract. Negative 8 plus 4 give us 4. Negative 4. 6 minus 5 give us 1. So the slope given these 2 points is going to be negative 4 over 1. And remember to identify x1, y1, x2, and y2. This is the first step before to use the formula. Then I'm going to show you some example in the real life in what can you identify the slope. But before to show you these examples, you have to try to solve this exercise or to find the slope given these 2 points, 2,1 and 3,4. Then now I'm going to show you these examples in real life. For example, we have positive uphill. We have this one. This is an example in real life. We have, for example, this one. If you can think, this one, it's an undefined slope because it's vertical position. Now here we have zero slope. Zero slope. Here's running. And this one, it's negative downhill, or it's a downhill when we go down. This is some examples in real life about a slope, positive, negative, undefined, and zero slope.